This is a video to show a sound that my Form 1 is making as it lowers the build platform, as it tilts it. You'll hear it in just a second after it lowers. So that click and was followed by the sudden drop of the build platform to the side makes me wonder if there's some sort of thing catching. So far all the prints have been great. I don't remember if it was making this sound right away. I feel like it wasn't. I've had it about a week now. So you can see that jump as it lowers down. So just thought I would record this and see if there were any thoughts from either other users who might be seeing it or from the forum team. And I'll let it do it one more time. So that's the question. Is that okay, or is there a problem there? Thanks for any thoughts. Here's another angle on that same phenomenon, just to see if the clicking sound is a problem and how to fix it. You can see the tray seems to be getting hung up as it tries to tilt.